SiriusXM, the message.
That was funny.
I found my rest. Without you, I fall.
Community and making a difference. Though her life hadn't panned out the way she once believed.
You're gonna go right in front of the cop? Oh. What the?
Oh, dude. Oh, man. Oh, that's not good. Oh, shit.
You see that?
Oh, man.
What's up with that?
That's rough. Oh, that's rough.
I mean, but it's so funny.
Well, we can go straight through and then turn the lights and we'll just take the
Oh,
road
wait,
instead.
they're moving.
Are they? Okay.
Yeah, they're moving.
Maybe the cops just get.
Companies that I have to compete with, I have to pay for the compliance costs, I have to be transparent, I have to abide by the law, and they don't.
Nope,
and they raise
getting
money
pulled over
with the same bankers I use, and I have to compete with them, and they're not being transparent. They have to get delisted. And Atkins,
what is it with people driving the
guess
wrong way
there
now?
must have had an
Always.
agreement.
Longingly at the pool boy or buying more exercise equipment off the TV. So what if you can?
You're gonna get a ticket. 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 You're gonna get a ticket.
Video protected.
Yeah, he's got pulled over. It's a her. No,
Oh, wow.
wow,
He was
right in
front of a
it.
cop. Ha,
Wow.
ha, ha, ha. And he's pulling him over. Yes. Works for me. Ha, 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 ha.
Yes.
That made my day. I don't know.
Tried to stop the 50 and John made from happening. Me and Dre had sat with him, picked it and had a chat with him. And asked him.
He's gonna pull him over. Told you. He wants me and all that, huh?
Si conozcas un famoso lugar de, ¿cómo se podría decir? Un lugar de striptease.
Ajá.
Que el Pussycat, no sé si se puede decir.
Pussycat está bien para ciudad. Es que el gato, ¿no? Era un putero, ¿no?
Sí, sí, es un putero. Y yo me salí a trabajar como a las 4 de la mañana.
Instant karma.
Supposed to turn. God, bro.
Yes! Yes! I'll pull that up.
Dude,
on the
and I just
Dashcam.
like, fuck, man, why is it? Dude, it's scared of me because I just got into one last time.
Yes!